తర్వాత చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది. So basically ఈరోజు I'm going to talk 2-3 stuff. One, we are going to talk about corona, how to say అందరికీ తెలుసు, you have to wear a mask, you have to sanitize your hand, but it's second wave లో situation చాలా critical అయింది. Like so fast, it's spreading so fast, and people are literally getting panic. So please don't get panic. First, if it is possible, wear 2 layer of mask. One normal mask, एक नॉर्मल मास्क पहने, सर्जिकल मास्क के ऊपर एक कॉटन मास्क भी डाल सकते हो, क्योंकि सर्जिकल मास्क 57% बैक्टीरिया से आपको बचा सकता है. एंड इफ आर यू वेयरिंग अनदर कॉटन मास्क विच विल इंक्रीज with 71 to 72% तक आप सेफ हो. So सिर्फ सर्जिकल मास्क इज नॉट अ गुड आइडिया. So wear a mask, wash your hand. If it is necessary, then only go out. Even if you go out, just finish your work, come back home, take a shower or wash your hand and come back. If it is not important, don't meet so many people. I think I am going out for only those things where I know there is not so many people. So please take care of yourself, because you don't know which person is infected, and from that we will get infection. If I talk about myself, so yeah, I do wear 2 layers of mask whenever I go out, even if I'm going to buy some stuff or going for a walk. So I'm always preparing myself to with the 2 mask on. दूसरी बात है प्लाज्मा. आप अगर कोरोना से लड़ चुके हो, अगर आपको कोरोना हो चुका है, तो आप किसी और की जान बचा सकते हो. प्लीज़ प्लीज़ प्लीज़, इफ़ यू आर हेल्दी इनफ, अगर आपका हीमोग्लोबिन 11% से ज़्यादा है, आप प्लाज्मा डोनर बन सकते हो और आप किसी की जान बचाने के लिए एक हेल्पिंग हैंड बन सकते हो. सो गाइस, दिस इज़ अ वेरी 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 इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. आपका प्लाज्मा डोनेट करना कितना इम्पॉर्टेंट है, प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ like I was also a few days if I talk about few days back, I don't know what is the meaning of plasma. So just for knowledge, I like to share with you all. Plasma अपने ब्लड के अंदर का एक येलो लिक्विड रहता है. ब्लड के अंदर येलो पानी जैसा होता है वो. That yellow liquid में 90% just water and 10% it's a magic power, I must say. Antibody जिसको बोलते हैं, that will actually, अगर आप वो किसी को डोनेट करते हो तो किसी की लाइफ बच सकती है. अनदर थिंग विच आई विल लाइक टू मेंशन, अगर आपने वैक्सीनेशन ऑलरेडी ले लिया है कोरोना के बाद, तो आप डोनेट नहीं कर सकते हो. अगर आप ने ऑलरेडी बेबी, मतलब यू आर अ मदर और यू आर ऑलरेडी प्रेग्नेंट, देन डेफिनेटली यू कैन नॉट डोनेट प्लाज्मा. सो ऑलरेडी प्लाज्मा के रिक्वायरमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों से आ रही है, मतलब so many people is required plasma. Please donate. There's so many people is coming in the front and making awareness. Touch wood, in my family and my close friends, we are not yet positive. We are safe because we are not getting out of our zone. So please guys, take care of yourself, because you don't know this corona from where it will come and what it will happen. So this was the corona and plasma thing. So there's so many state has declared lockdown, like curfew. So in Ahmedabad we are having curfew for a long time. Like before it was 8 o'clock to morning, before it was 9 o'clock to morning 6. Now it's 8 o'clock in the night from morning 6. I think in Hyderabad it started few days back, which is 9 o'clock to morning 5 or 6, right? So make sure, if you can help some people, please help them, because and one more thing, agar if you take a vaccine right now, then you can normally also do not donate. You cannot donate your blood. So if you didn't took a vaccine yet, आप blood भी donate कर सकते हो, because there are so many people require blood. So this was which I want to say, guys. Please take care. Bombay is going through a very very tough time, and Chennai has a lockdown. Ahmedabadlo ee roju nunchi there's saloon is services off. There's no pan parlor or there's no tea stall. Nothing is open. So I think you should have to take care of yourself. So well. Please do that. One. And second, I like to mention about my birthday. There's so many people has started 1 month before, like happy birthday Monal Gajjar, happy birthday Monal Gajjar, 16 days to go, 15 days to go, 25 days to go, 30 days to go. Guys, it's my request. Please, if you want to do something on my birthday, if you want to plan something, I want you to gift me something which everybody can. So, from Repu nunchi, save 1 or 2 rupees aside. Put a 1 or 2 rupees aside every day. 1 rupees or 2 rupees. I think 16 days left or 15 days, whatever. So you probably save 30 rupees. Okay. What you can do this, you can buy some banana, or you can buy 1 kg of wheat flour, or you can just give it to somebody who can have food. You can give it to somebody who's your neighbor or comes next to your home for a food, or some people always ask for money. You can feed them. You can literally give them a meal. I want you all to do this. నా బర్త్డేనో ఒక చిన్న రిక్వెస్ట్ అంటే అందరికీ ఒక మీల్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఒక మీల్ అంటే యూ కెన్ గివ్ బనానా, యూ కెన్ గివ్ యూ కెన్ మేక్ అమ్మ కుక్ చేస్తే యూ కెన్ సే మమ్మ కొంచెం ఎక్కువ సాంబార్ రైస్ పెట్టండి ఈరోజు. గివ్ సంబడి లైక్ ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్తో ఆర్ ఎనీబడి who's nearby. And again, don't come in the contact literally when you are even going. Wear a hand gloves, wear a mask or something, and just give it. One person. I think right now ఇప్పుడు almost 3,000 people is watching us. Almost 3,000. So అందరికీ ఒకటి రిక్వెస్ట్ అంటే, if 3,000 people will serve one person, only one person food, one person తో ఒక మీల్ ఇస్తే బాగుంటుంది. Because I think we have to be prepared for another lockdown. You never know what will happen. So let's do good thing. Let's not spend money on